Like to inform the public as well as the world that the president is putting on notice that henceforth, beginning today, all foreign vessels that will be passing through our territorial waters will have to get clearance from the proper government authority way ahead in advance before the actual passage. Either either they comply in a friendly manner, or we will enforce it in an unfriendly manner.
Last sentence, sir. What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by unfriendly manner?
Well, it means that we'll have to stop them and tell them to move out.
Military forces.
Well, if it will have to take that, we will do it.
Are we ready for that, sir?
Well, I suppose.
Sir, this was precipitated by?
The president didn't say so, but there has been repeated passing through without our being notified
By whom?
by some foreign vessels.
China.
Well, particularly
China worship?
the Chinese warships.
Sir, again, we're ready to use military force if they do not comply.
We're saying that we will enforce it in an unfriendly manner. By that, it means that we will ask them to move out of the place.
Yun na yung unfriendly.
How?
That's unfriendly. Because before, we never said anything. We just allow them and we just make protests. But this time, we will tell them, please get out of our territorial
It's
waters.
still friendly,
Do we
sir.
have that
That's very
capability?
unfriendly because we have not done it before.
Pero kakayanin ba, sir, na itaboy sila?
Aba,
I-enforce yan?
itataboy natin sila. Kaya nga we are going to enforce it. In an
Do we have that
unfriendly manner.
capability,
So what's
sir?
the president's order to the military, sir?
Wala pa siyang sinasabi sa kanyang statement. But yun na muna.
Why that change in tone? Parang oops, biglang meron tayong